Ready to unlock the future of video editing with features you can test out right now. Let's dive into how to get the Adobe Premiere Pro Beta version through the Creative Cloud application, giving you access to the latest and greatest tools before everyone else. First, open your Creative Cloud app, then make sure you're on the Apps tab. This is the main hub for all your Adobe software. See that search bar? Type in Premiere Pro and hit enter, or just click on the Premiere Pro app that appears. Now, you might see an install button here, but we want the beta. Click the little arrow next to the install button, not the button itself. Look for the drop-down that unveils a special menu. Up pops the drop-down menu. Here, you'll see options. Select Beta Apps. This will bring up a list of all available beta versions of Premiere Pro. Choose the latest Premiere Pro Beta version from the list and click the install button next to it. That will begin the installation process, and you'll soon have the beta version of Premiere Pro installed on your machine. Once it's installed, you'll have access to all the newest features Adobe is testing, letting you preview and help shape the future of video editing. Remember, you will have both your installed apps and the beta available. Try out the beta, provide feedback, and happy editing.